Disconnect the 12-volt DC power supply or unplug the refrigerator to eliminate electrical risk. Locate the PCB cover on the top rear section of the refrigerator. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the cover. Carefully lift and remove the cover, exposing the control board. Take a clear photo of the PCB and wire connections for reference during assembly. Gently unplug all wire connections from the PCB. Avoid pulling on wires directly. Grip connectors to prevent damage. Locate and remove the single Phillips screw securing the PCB to the housing. Carefully lift the PCB out of its slot, avoiding contact with surrounding components. Align the new PCB in the same orientation as the original. Secure it with the Phillips screw to hold it firmly in place. Using your reference photo, reconnect each wire to its corresponding terminal. Double check for secure snug connections. Feed the wire harness through the designated output slot on the PCB cover. Ensure wires are neatly routed and not pinched or strained. Align the cover with its original position and reinstall the free Phillips screws to secure the cover.